to 295 green. The code is 803700. Yay! Okay. So for everyone here, that's the winner of this. So for all the rest of the raffle tickets, it will be 10 minutes, or they will be up in the hallway, written on a whiteboard with the results. So bear with us 10 minutes, and we'll have all the results for the raffle tickets up on the board in the hallway. Lots of big prizes to be won. Don't worry, they're not all gone.
Okay, once again folks, thank you very, very much for coming into Clark's Bar, celebrating Jim Moore's life and supporting Brain Tumour Ireland. And as I said, Jim is looking down on us. We'd like to thank everyone who's involved, all the musicians who joined us as well. We had earlier on, who had we? We had Dylan and Kanan who started off the show. We had Michael Swarbrick and Jack Burnett. We had Ray Dolan who sang a couple of tunes. We had Kira who done a fantastic job here and traveled the whole way from the north of Ireland with all her family. We had Connor Moore. We had Ross Caruan. And we had the York. So to finish off the night, thank you so much for coming down, thank you so much for supporting this, and we're going to finish off with a song that Jim sang actually on this video that we're playing all night. And the songs are going to sing it this evening. We're going to all take a verse out of it and just turn it down a little bit in the onwards. Good man?
Yeah.